Good morning, students. Our next unit is unit number 5, that is real-time operating system. Real-time operating system, that is RTOS. Okay. So इस RTOS में क्या लिखेंगे हम इसका block diagram. Okay. So this complete section, complete blocks represents a RTOS. ठीक है. Real-time operating system. So इस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के ब्लॉक डायग्राम में कौन कौन से ब्लॉक्स हैं? यूजर्स, यूजर 1, यूजर 2 एंड सो ऑन. अगेन सेकंड ब्लॉक इज दिस सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, सॉफ्टवेयर. सो सॉफ्टवेयर कंसिस्ट ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. एंड थर्ड ब्लॉक कंसिस्ट ऑफ हार्डवेयर. ओके, दिस hardware consists of central processing unit, RAM and input output devices. Okay, this is all about the, or we can say that this is the block diagram of operating system. Okay, so operating system consists of users, various types of users, user 1, user 2 and so on, and software, that is in software block it consists of system software and operating systems. And third block consists of hardware. In hardware it consists of central processing unit, RAM, that is random access memory, and input output devices. This is the real time operating system. Next we will see the functions of operating system. Functions of operating systems. So we will see next topic, function of operating system. Function of operating system. Functions of operating system. So first function is memory management. Memory management. Second one is processor management. Processor management. Third one is device management. Device management. File management. File management. Next one is security. Next one is control or system performance. Job accounting. Error detecting. Aids, then coordination between software and other users. users. Okay, so these are the functions of operating system, that is memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security, control or system performance, job accounting, errors, detecting gaps, coordination between software and other users. Okay, so what happened in memory management? In memory management refers to management of primary memory or main memory. It refers to the management of primary memory or main memory. What happened in process management? In process management, multi-programming environment OS decide which process gets the processor when and how much time. ठीक है, प्रोसेसर मैनेजमेंट में क्या होता है? It's operating system decide which process gets the processor when and how much time it takes. Then device management. In device management, operating system manages the device communication. Manages the device communication. Then next one is file management. A file system is normally organized into directories for the easy navigation and uses. For easy navigation and uses. Next one is security. Okay. Security means how this system should be secured. This is the function of this operating system. This means like the its operating system should be run smoothly, does not corrupt any files. These are the functions, that is security. If we are placing any data, okay, that must be secure. This is also the function of this operating system. Then control over the system performance. Control over the system performance means the systems में जो सिस्टम का परफॉर्मेंस है उसका कंट्रोलिंग करना भी एक फंक्शन है इसका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का. देन एरर डिटेक्टिंग, इफ एनी एरर occurred in the system that should be detected by the operating system. This is one of the function of this operating system. Then coordination between software and other users. Okay, to coordinate between, for example, we have the user and that system having some software, so that the coordination between that software and users, this is also the function of this operating system. This is also the function of this operating system. Okay.